It's on. Whitney splattered paint on her walls with duct tape. This one's awesome.
Nice duct tape.
There's duct tape. I said duct tape, okay? Hi. What are you laughing about?
That's why I have to talk.
Yeah, watch when she turns her head, yeah, like that. She starts laughing. Hi.
Fun.
Hello, kitty. It's funny.
It's not.
It's funny. It's funny. Woohoo!
We should listen to music.
Yes, we should. I'm texting Nick. Hi, Nick.
No one cares!
Yeah, they do.
No!
They watch it. They watch it.
No!
Shut! You shut up!
No! Make me!
I'll make you. Okay, you guys go watch this.
You gotta take my bed. You're so mean to me! Run! I got text somewhere, thank God. Look, it's George! Hey, it's my bed!
It's mine now.
George has a gun. Why you attack me? I don't know what channel you're on. You forget. Oh my God. Ha ha. Ha 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 ha! Yes, all day. Yeah, we can. Oh, Lord. Me and Nick keep arguing. Oh my God. I don't care. It's annoying. Oh, how do you that feel? Hi. I can actually take it out. I can take it out when you beat me up. Ah! That's gross. That was funny. Hair Nation! What? Hair Nation program. It's a rip-off of Nickelback. Born to be my baby. Bon Jovi! Ah, Bon Jovi! Boo! Sure it did hurt. This has a lot of needles in it. No, it doesn't hurt. That's a burrito. Oh my God!
Oh my God.
I had this since last year.
Oh, for how long I knew you? Oh, you made that? Oh yeah, for that little doll thing. Yeah, did you lost it? I had this because I remember that I lost it.
I can go. I don't even know how to email. I'm stupid.
You go on?
Coffee house. Never mind, I know.
You go on Facebook. You're for send message and you type it and then you send it. And they read it.
Playing with my hair.
You have a lot of hair today. Gosh. I don't even use that when I tease my hair.
I'm not trying to tease my hair. Slow down.
Oh God. That means chick. Oh God, no! We're on video, thank you.
You didn't hear a word I said.
Yeah, they did.
I'll be coming for you. We're at the spa now.
Oh yeah.
This is stupid! I hate the spa! Worst spa ever. I'm not coming back. Now we're at Jazz Club.
Jazz hands.
Real jazz. This is real jazz.
Boring.
Real.
Boring.
Real jazz.
Real boring.
This sucks. I don't like it.
Escape is escape music. That's the worst escape music ever. Do not go to opera. I swear to God, I'll die. No.
We're at the opera.
I'm gonna die.
Yeah.
Thank you. No. Boring.
No, I'm not watching club basketball.
Bye.